Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Zen gift is probably one of the most thoughtful and mindful presents you can give, focusing on the experience and intention behind the gift rather than its monetary value, promoting relaxation and inner peace for both the giver and receiver, making it a unique and unforgettable way to show you care in our often hectic lives, offering a break from the consumerism and stress of modern gift giving. Number 5. Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain. Transform your space into a tranquil oasis with this beautiful tabletop fountain. Its gentle sounds and soothing water flow will create a calming atmosphere in any room. Admire its elegant, three-tiered design, inspired by Asian aesthetics. Watch as the water cascades down, creating a mesmerizing visual display. It's incredibly simple to set up and use. Just plug it in, and it will automatically circulate the water, keeping it fresh and clean. Use it to unwind after a long day, meditate, or simply enjoy its peaceful ambience. It's perfect for any room in your home. It's a beautiful home decor piece, a soothing sound machine, and a calming nightlight all in one. Enjoy the soft glow and gentle sounds. Everything you need is included: the fountain, river rocks, leaf tiers, power cord, and a quick start guide to get you started right away. What we like? If you're looking for a calming atmosphere, this tabletop fountain is perfect. Its gentle sounds and beautiful design will help you relax after a long day. It's easy to set up and maintain, making it ideal for busy individuals who want to add a touch of serenity to their space. What people say? It's really quite beautiful. Easy to put together, works great, doesn't splash, the light adds a nice ambience. The sound of the falling water is relaxing, and the colored lights are a nice touch. The pump is pretty quiet with a steady flow, and you can shift the shelves to direct how the water falls. This is a very simple but well-made fountain. All of the components are plastic, but the finishes are good enough that for viewing purposes, which is what this is for, it's practically no different from the metal and wood that it imitates. Assembly is easy, and the included pebble stones, which are real, that you can scatter, adds an air of authenticity to the setup. The yellow LED lighting is a nice touch, although we'll have to see how long they last. Number 4. Om Store Tibetan Singing Bowl Set. This singing bowl set is handcrafted in the Himalayas by Nepalese artisans. Each bowl is unique, just like you, and comes with a wooden striker and cushion. It's an authentic, high-quality singing bowl, perfect for creating a calming and healing ambience. The sound is truly mesmerizing. Use it to enhance your yoga, meditation, or chakra healing practices. It's also great for sound baths and promoting mindfulness. Playing it is easy, producing peaceful and mesmerizing tones. It helps reduce stress and promotes holistic healing through sound resonance. It's compact and easily travels with you. Take it to yoga classes, the office, or retreats. It fits in your hand but sings beautifully. It makes a perfect spiritual gift, presented in a beautiful vintage-style gift box. A thoughtful present for any occasion. What we like? If you appreciate authentic craftsmanship, this singing bowl set is a must-have. Its mesmerizing tones are perfect for meditation, yoga, or simply unwinding. Its compact size allows you to bring it anywhere, making it ideal for those who want to incorporate mindfulness into their daily routine. What people say? The singing bowl itself is excellent. I am delighted with the bowl itself because the size is perfect, especially for my travel bag. This singing bowl has a great ring and sings with a beautiful tone. Handmade in Nepal too, can't beat that. The bowl, mallet, and ring came well packaged and padded. The seller has included an informational pamphlet with the bowl that's a nice touch. I was also impressed that they reached out to me via email shortly after the package arrived. The email thanked me for the purchase, and included a downloadable PDF instruction sheet, including basics on how to get the bowl to sing, as well as 2 or 3 alternative methods of playing. Number 3. Original Buddha Board Art Set. It's inspired by Zen, encouraging you to live in the moment. Create beautiful, temporary art with water on this unique board, and find your mindfulness. This set contains everything you need: a 12 by 9.5 inch board, a bamboo brush, and a stand with a water reservoir. Simply add water and let your creativity flow. There's no need to worry about mistakes, it resets itself as your art fades. It's perfect for all ages, offering a unique and stress-relieving experience. It's incredibly simple to use. Fill the stand with water, dip the brush, and begin creating soft, beautiful images. It's that easy. This eco-friendly board uses only water, no ink, no paint, no chemicals. Master the art of letting go, live in the moment, and enjoy what we like. If you enjoy artistic expression and mindfulness practices, this water painting set is for you. It's simple to use and promotes relaxation through the act of creating temporary art. It's an eco-friendly option, perfect for those who value sustainability. What people say. It looks even better than in the pictures. So relaxing and fun. This item is of great quality. Perfect size to do quick, creative work. This is the best no-mess art activity for kiddos. This video was taken probably close to a year of having it and still works great. Number 2. Chakra Tree Crystal Bonsai. It's more than just a decoration, it's a beautiful bonsai tree infused with the energy of 7 chakra crystals. Each crystal is carefully chosen to promote balance and harmony. This isn't your average home decor. It's lovingly handcrafted, making each piece unique. The size and color may vary slightly, adding to its special charm. Discover the power of 7 chakra crystals: red jasper, carnelian, yellow aventurine, green aventurine, lapis lazuli, amethyst, and clear quartz. Each one corresponds to a specific energy center in your body. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This makes a wonderful present for housewarmings, weddings, anniversaries, or any special occasion. It's also a great gift for yourself. Place it on your desk, in your living room, or anywhere you need a boost of positive energy. It's the perfect addition to any home or office, adding beauty and serenity. Upon arrival, gently unfold the branches to reveal its full beauty. Arrange them to your liking, it's your personal creation. Enjoy the process and the positive energy it brings. This unique piece combines artistry, spirituality, and the power of crystals to create a truly special addition to your life. It's a beautiful way to enhance your home and well-being. What we like. If you're interested in chakra balancing and home decor, this crystal tree is a great choice. Its beautiful design adds a touch of serenity to any space, while the crystals promote positive energy. It makes a thoughtful gift for various occasions. What people say. Taking the time to fluff it up was well worth it at the end. Absolutely beautiful and brings a calming effect to my room. Very durable and looks very pretty once all set up. I've gotten 2 and they make great gifts. Recipe un ornamento de cuarzo rosa muy bonito. En su caja se encuentra posicionado de forma tal que no se enredan las ramas. Cuando se saca del empaque es necesario extender cada alambra para dar la forma deseada. Su altura es de 10 cm aproximadamente. Number 1. ENSO Inori Zen Garden Kit. Experience tranquility at your fingertips with this beautiful and functional kit. It's perfect for mindful moments throughout your day. This kit is made with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Notice the smooth wood and perfectly formed spheres. The solid wood tray provides a stable and elegant base for your meditative practice. Its simple design complements any workspace. Use these spheres to create intricate patterns in the sand, promoting focus and relaxation. Each one is uniquely crafted. The custom holder keeps everything organized and easily accessible. It's designed for convenience and style. It's more than just a beautiful desk accessory, it's a tool for stress reduction and improved focus. Find your center with this kit. This makes a thoughtful and unique gift for anyone seeking peace and mindfulness. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. If you appreciate the beauty of Zen gardens and seek a calming meditation tool, this kit is perfect. It's a beautiful addition to any desk and offers a simple yet effective way to practice mindfulness. It's ideal for those who want to incorporate a touch of serenity into their workspace. What people say. The kit is beautifully designed, with high-quality materials that make it feel like a true Zen experience. The fine sand, smooth rocks, and delicate rake allow for calming patterns and offer a perfect way to focus and clear the mind. Quality, design, natural bamboo trays and accessories. The ball and sand force you to consciously move the ball in a way that doesn't allow it to slip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.